The Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports is located at Patiala. The pilotless target aircraft fabricated at the Aeronautical Development Establishment, Bangalore is Lakshya. UN General Assembly elects a president and how many vice presidents at the start of its each regular session? (21). The treaty which ushered in NATO was signed by the member nations at Washington. The unit of current is ampere. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. To which country does the present UN Secretary General belongs? South Korea. Vitamin B12 is most useful for combating rickets. The term which denotes that each side has made equal point at game point in tennis is referred to as deuce. The telescope is used for viewing distant objects. The transport fleet of Air Force consists of all of the above. The term butterfly is associated with swimming. Venturi tube is used for measuring flow of a liquid. Uttar Pradesh is surrounded by blank in north. Uttarakhand. The theory of utilitarianism was expounded by All of the above.